Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to make pop-out video transparent in Opera browser. In case you use Opera browser and you frequently pop out video by clicking on this one icon that represents with up arrow icon, or you can pop out any video while playing in Opera browser by double right click on the video screen, and then you can select here picture in picture mode. This will pop out video on your Opera browser. It will stay on the top of the screen. You can move it on the any side of the screen, or you can resize it also according to your choice. Even you can uh, play, pause, mute, unmute, and you can go back through this one up arrow button back to tab. When you will press this one option, it will close this one pop out window and will open Opera browser. That tab on which tab you are playing this one video. In case you want to make this one pop out window transparent, there are two methods. On the pop out window, move the cursor and you will find this one settings gear icon. Click on this one option, and here you will see option transparency. You can turn on this one toggle switch to make it transparent, and turn off this one toggle switch to make it normal. Otherwise, you can open Opera browser and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner. In the drop down menu, go to settings. In the settings window, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one advanced option. After that, again scroll down to find video section. This section video pop out. Here you will also find this one option to make pop out window transparent. Just toggle on this one switch to make it transparent, and in case you don't want to make it transparent, that pop out window, just turn off this one toggle switch. Like this you can turn off or turn on transparency in pop out video in Opera browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.